Good morning, children. Write today's date 3-11-2020. Subject Social Studies. Grade Class 5. Block 10 classwork. Children, I'm your grade 5 Social Studies teacher. Let us complete our classwork today. Block 10 classwork, children. I have completed your workbook, beta. So we'll complete our classwork today. Block 10, children. Now, take out your readers, children. Children, first we will take our question answers, beta. Page number 68. Turn to page number 68, beta. See, did you completed this one, beta? Yeah, match the following. See, match the following. Okay. DCBA, no? Means year. Sorry, children. Year and when, what happened? When is Battle of Plassey? Boxer. When is Battle of Boxer, children? D. What is D here? 1764. What happened in 1764? Which battle took place? Battle of Boxer. Like this you should complete, beta. I think I have explained you in another video. Now see, I am explaining about this one. Question and answers. Cut third one and write here first one. Next, cut second one. Cut fourth one, sorry, and write here second one. Cut fifth one and write here third one. Cut sixth one and write here fourth one. Cut seventh one and write here fifth one. Now, take out your classwork. You all know how to write here. Like this, your classwork. Block 10, coming of the British keywords. Your glossaries only are your keywords. Then you will write your glossaries. You all know no glossaries are in your reader. How many glossaries are there? 8 glossaries are there. So 8 keywords and 8 glossaries. Then you are going to write here match the following. Then what you will write, children? You will write 8 keywords. These are only your keywords. Then you'll write glossaries. Then you'll write match the following. Then you'll start fourth bit, answer the following. Now let us see what is first question now. Now look here, what is your first question? What was the significance of the Battle of Boxer and the Battle of Plassey? Now what you'll do, my dear children? You'll write this answer. See this answer. First answer is, I am showing you, it is in this classwork. Remaining answers are in your reader. It is clear, my dear children? Yes, it is very clear. First point, in the Battle of Plassey in 1757, Robert Clive defeated the Nawab of Bengal, Sirajud-Dowla. First point. Second point, after the British Battle of Boxer, the British set up the foundation of British rule in India. Small answer. Okay, children? See, it is very clear now. Small answer. Okay? Now, second question. What is second question now? Name the main leaders of the revolt of 1857. Write sentence about any two of them. How many leaders are there, children? We will see now. See, revolt of 1857. Page number 66. 1, 2, 3. 4 leaders are there. Out of these 4 leaders, you write 4 leaders' name. Then you explain about any two of them which you like. You should write like this. The key people of the revolt of 1857 are Sirajud-Dowla, Nawab Sirajud-Dowla, Tatia Tope, Rani Lakshmi Bai and Begum Hazrat Mahal. Like this you should write, and you should explain about any two people. Which explain means you should write this. If you are writing about Nawab Sirajud-Dowla, write this one. And you are writing about Rani Lakshmi Bai, write this one full. Okay, like this. Explain any two. Okay, understood? Now third question. See now children, what is third question? What was the result of the revolt of 1857 on the British? Why was India placed under the direct rule of the British after the revolt? This is your third answer. Third answer is in your reader. Where is your third answer? See, children. Turn to page number. See, your third answer is here. Turn to page number 67. Page number 67. See. Did you know? Up one. British realized that the East India Company from British to England is a third answer. Small answer. Where is your third answer? Page number 67. Last two lines. From British you are starting and you are ending in England. Next is fourth question. What is your fourth question? See, this is your fourth one. The coming of the British had many impact on the Indian people and society. Write about any three such impact that suppressed the Indians, children. Sorry. Now see fourth answer. See, beta. Fourth answer is in the page number 65. See, beta, fourth answer. From here you should write. The British took raw materials from India. From here to these 3 points you should write, beta. How many points you'll write, beta? 1, 2, 3 points answer. Okay. What is your fourth answer, beta? This 3 points, beta. Okay. What was your third answer? This 2 points. Now let us see fifth one. What is fifth question? The British did a few good things for our country. Did you agree? Yes, we all agree. Give reasons for your answers. So fifth answer is in the same page, beta, page number 65. See, children, here. Second paragraph. Again, this 3 points. See, this 3 points is your fourth answer. Remaining 3 points is your fifth answer. The British started the railway system in India. 3 points. The British introduced the post and telegraph service. Next point. The British also passed a law, okay, to remove the sati. These all 3 points from here to here. Death, husband. Okay, children. This is your 5 answers. Okay. Complete your 5 question and answers. After writing question answers, what you will do, my dear children? See, children. Class activity. Right, like this class activity. Revolt, leaders of revolt 1857. Stick picture of one. Okay, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Tatya Tope, Nana Sahib, and write few lines about them. If you want to write about Rani Lakshmi Bai, stick picture of Rani Lakshmi Bai and write few lines about Rani Lakshmi Bai. If you want to write about Tatya Tope, stick picture of Tatya Tope and write few lines about Tatya Tope. If you want to write about Nana Sahib, stick picture of Nana Sahib and write like this. You can use color pencil, but write about any one leader. Only one I am asking you to write, children. Okay. Understood, beta? Hope you all understood how to write question answers. Thank you. Have a nice day.